Hey, this is Roger, coming to you from the Project Smile of the Light and Salt Association in Houston. This video is about autism and the criminal justice system. This topic was discussed during an IDD PAC meeting. IDD stands for Intellectual and Developmental Disability. PAC stands for the Parental Advisory Council. There are 4 points that was made during the presentation. 1. Why a person with autism ends up in the criminal justice system. 2. Criminal court's difficulty in dealing with such individuals. 3. What to do if your loved one gets caught in the situation. And 4. The consequences of not taking a proactive role. Autistic individuals generally are unprepared to deal with complexity of the social media and the social situations. Their psychologically and physiologically driven behavior, such as compulsive behavior, indecency, or touching, can lead to misunderstanding. They generally are undereducated about the law, and they are suspect to grooming, bullying due to loneliness and inability to read and respond to social cues. Autistic individuals are vulnerable in court. Unsympathetic judges, defender, and jury often are unable to identify the high-functioning autistic individuals. Court will ask questions without knowing if the individual understands the question, the context of the questions. On the other side, autistic individuals cannot articulate their story in a convincing way. They don't always understand what is asked, and they are often eager to comply with authority and do not know how to stay within the protection of the law. If your loved one gets caught in the criminal justice system, demand to be assessed by qualified individuals. These individuals will have over 10 years of experience and has a practice that primarily focuses on autism. And most importantly, the expert should have experience with the criminal justice system. If a resource is hard to find, seek help in large cities. Finally, studies show that cared for autistic individuals are unlikely to reoffend as they are rule-bound. However, individuals fell through the crack often develop depression and suicidal tendencies. It is strongly suggested that family counseling and legal education delivered by experts with knowledge of autism will be needed to guide the individuals and the family to understand the boundary of their probate.